Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast casserole. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large bowl. I have 6 eggs I'm going to scramble. Guys, this is a really easy casserole for during the week. Quick throw together meal. And you can make it the night before, put it in the fridge raw, and bake it the next day if you're really in a rush. Alright, now to that, try not to lose my fork, and I'll set my fork over here. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt. And you can season this any way you like. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of pepper. And I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of dry mustard. And as usual, I'm just eyeballing. And I'm also going to add in 2 cups of whole milk. I'm going to go ahead and whisk that together quick. Alright, in a baking dish I took 9 slices of bread and I just cut them up into pieces like that. I'm going to dump that egg mixture down over top of the bread. Just want to coat it all with the egg and milk mixture. Now I'm going to take, I have some shredded cheddar cheese. And I think I'm going to take a spoon and push my bread down in there to soak up that egg and milk mixture. If you were to do this overnight, you would put it all together and then cover it in plastic foil and put it in the fridge until the next day. But we want to get it done today. We don't have time to mess around. So I'm just making sure my bread's down in that. And as this bakes, those eggs will set up and the milk and egg will absorb into the bread. I'm going to add some shredded cheddar cheese on here. I have a 2-cup package here. Spread around there nice and good. And as this bakes, that bread will fluff back up some because that egg will rise. I'm just going to go ahead and throw both cups on there, make it good and cheesy. Alright, I have some bacon here that I baked in the oven, got crispy. I'm just going to go ahead and break this up and throw that on top of the casserole. Alright, now that I have all my bacon broke up and on there, and that was a pound of bacon, guys. I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven on cover for 45 minutes till the egg cooks through, the cheese melts, and that'll be ready to go. Alright guys, this just came out of the oven. It actually only took 35 minutes. You see the way the cheese is golden brown and that fluffed up. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. You know what this sort of reminds me of? It reminds me of a frittata. A breakfast frittata. It's really good. You get the cheese, the egg soaked in the bread. Sort of like a deconstructed breakfast sandwich. That was really easy and it's really delicious. Alright, there you have it. Bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast casserole. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.